I am a web developer. I work at a mid-sized technology company. My job involves building websites and web applications. I am responsible for both front-end and back-end development. I write code using programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I also use back-end technologies like PHP and Node.js. My job includes working with databases, especially MySQL and MongoDB. I often integrate APIs to add external features to websites. I collaborate with designers to make sure the site looks great. I also work with content creators to ensure content is well structured. My typical workday starts with checking emails and messages from the team. We usually have a morning stand-up meeting to discuss progress. I spend a lot of time debugging and testing code. One of my tasks is optimizing website performance. I use tools like Google Lighthouse to analyze speed and performance. It's important to make websites load fast and run smoothly. Accessibility is another important part of my work. I make sure websites are usable for people with disabilities. I follow best practices in web development. I use Git and GitHub for version control. Our team follows Agile methodology. We work in sprints and have regular planning meetings. I participate in code reviews and give feedback to teammates. Sometimes I mentor junior developers. I help them understand complex problems. I also learn from senior developers and improve my skills. I attend online workshops and webinars. I stay updated with the latest trends in web development. I constantly learn about new libraries and frameworks. React and Vue are popular frameworks I often work with. I enjoy building responsive websites. They work well on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. I use media queries to adjust layouts for different screen sizes. Sometimes I use CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Tailwind. For backend work, I use Express.js and Laravel. I also write RESTful APIs for our mobile applications. Security is a big part of my job. I make sure user data is protected. I use HTTPS and encrypt sensitive information.